Hey, imagine this. You're sitting down to study, full of energy, ready to crush it. But then, one quick notification. You check it, just one reel, and boom, 2 hours gone. Your focus? Shattered. Your motivation? Drained. Sound familiar? You're not alone, bro. Endless scrolling is stealing our lives in 2026, but today, we're taking it back. I'm talking to you, the student grinding through exams, the young adult chasing dreams. That foggy brain, that constant pull to your phone, it sucks. I get it. You've got big goals, but distractions are winning. Not anymore. In this video, we're reclaiming your focus, step by step, practical, real. Let's dive in. First, understand why scrolling owns us. Social media hits your brain's reward system like a drug. Every like, every funny video, dopamine rush. It's designed that way. Platforms want you hooked. Studies show excessive scrolling shrinks attention spans to under 8 seconds, shorter than a goldfish. It fragments your focus, spikes anxiety, and kills deep work. But science also proves we can reset. Reducing screen time boosts clarity, mood, and productivity fast. You're not weak. You're up against billion-dollar psychology. Knowledge is power. Now, let's fight back. Start with a quick reset, the 30-day digital declutter. Inspired by experts like Cal Newport, go minimalist. For 30 days, cut optional tech, social media, reels, endless YouTube. No cold turkey on everything. Keep what you need for school or work. Use this time to rediscover life. Read books, hang with friends, exercise, journal. Why it works? It breaks the addiction loop. Your brain recalibrates to enjoy real rewards. After, add back only what truly adds value. Quick action? Today, delete tempting apps or log out. Set a start date, January 1st, 2026. Perfect timing. You might feel bored at first. That's good. Boredom sparks creativity. Push through. You've got this. Build a focus-friendly daily routine. Structure your day to protect attention. Break it into morning, day, and evening. Morning, win before you start. No phone first thing. That scroll sets a distracted tone. Instead, wake up, drink water, make your bed. Small win. 10-minute movement. Stretch, walk, or quick workout. Boosts energy and focus. Plan your top 3 tasks. What matters most today? Science says mornings are prime for willpower. Guard it. Quick step, charge your phone outside your room tonight. Use an old-school alarm. During the day, block and flow. Notifications, off. They derail focus for 20+ minutes each time. Use tools. Apps like Freedom or Cold Turkey block distractions across devices. Set sessions, 2 hours deep study, no interruptions. Try Pomodoro, 25 minutes laser focus, 5-minute break. No scrolling in breaks. Stretch or breathe. Grayscale your phone, makes it less addictive. Colors trick your brain into craving more. Why science-backed? Interruptions kill productivity. Blocking them trains sustained attention. Action now? Turn off all non-essential notifications right after this video. Evening, wind down right. No screens 1 hour before bed. Blue light messes sleep. Poor sleep tanks focus tomorrow. Instead, read a physical book, journal wins from the day, or meditate. Quick habit? Set a phone bedtime at 9 p.m. Charge in another room. This rebuilds your brain overnight. Mindset shifts to lock it in. You're not missing out, you're gaining control. Embrace JOMO, joy of missing out. Track progress. Journal how you feel after less scrolling. More energy? Better grades? Prove it to yourself. When urges hit, pause. Ask, does this serve my goals? Replace it with a better habit like a quick walk. Psychology tip, habit stacking. Pair tough tasks with rewards like coffee after studying. You're building atomic habits, small changes, massive results. Bro, I see you. That exhaustion from constant distractions, it's real. But imagine waking up clear-headed, crushing your day, feeling proud. That's waiting for you. 2026 is your year. Start today, one small step. If this hit home, smash like,
Subscribe for more real talk on leveling up and share with a friend who's stuck scrolling too. Drop a comment. What's your biggest distraction? Let's beat it together. You've got the power. Reclaim your focus. Let's go.